Hey guys, welcome back. So in previous video we have protected our file with the password in Microsoft Word document. Now in this video I'm going to show you how we can remove this protected password in Microsoft Word. So the same thing as in previous video, what you need to do is go here to the file, and what you are going to need to do is let's to the left hand side menu and select information info, and here you see what we have, so protected document. Now again select protected document, click on it, and you will see here encrypt with password. It's like black square around this icon, so select it and click. It will show you this encrypt the content of this file, so click OK. Now what we need to do, so what we need to do is basically here we will delete these characters which we added as a password and leave it like that, so it needs to be blank, and click OK. Now this is pretty much how you can basically remove password, and now the file is not anymore under the password. It's not protected with password, so you can freely use without it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.